Hey guys, so I'm back here in looking at my hydrangea hedge. I guess just got done watering it, and I have been curious. I put all my hydrangeas in the ground last year, so they were from the nursery, so obviously they were already blooming, early because they were greenhoused. But I was wondering when they would start setting blooms here in Zone 8. Because it says late summer, mid to late summer. And they are actually, it is now late May, and we are setting buds. And I am so excited. This one is getting buds all over it. I don't know if you can see that. Well, that tiny one behind the leaves there. But I am super duper excited here that they are already getting ready to bloom on me. All of the hydrangeas in my hydrangea hedge are getting ready to bloom. Probably in the next month or so they'll be blooming. So I will keep you guys updated on how the difference is between the pruning sizes for the blooms. I'm hoping to see a drastic difference. If not, I will definitely stick to this bushier look. I also have 3 hydrangeas up front in my front bed, and I will show you those as well. They aren't showing any signs of blooming yet, but they did wake up later than these in the back. I'm not really sure why, but they did. But this thing is just covered in blooms, and I'm so excited to watch all 6 of these bloom this year. So I will keep you up to date, and that's all I have for you this morning. So if you were wondering when your hydrangeas would set bloom in Zone 8 or around Zone 8 in South Alabama, time is now. So I hope you guys have a great day, and thanks for watching. Bye.